Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa, and today's video is actually a sponsored video by Merit. So Merit gifted me some products to test out for you guys. I already love some of their stuff already and have bought stuff of my own, so we're just going to go ahead and test out all of their products. I'm going to do a full face basically of Merit products. I already kind of have like my base on because they didn't have the shade in their complexion stick for like kind of like to use all over my face, so I got a shade to use like as a bronzer. I already went ahead and applied some sunscreen and a little bit of concealer all over my face. Merit is such a good makeup line, you guys. They're all clean products, cruelty free, vegan. They have a satin finish. They're buildable. They're very lightweight. I really love a lot of their products. They stand behind everything that I believe in that a makeup should be. And I believe I read on their website that they have removed like 16 ingredients from all of their products that cause like acne and blemishes and pimples and all that stuff. So yeah, like what the box looks like inside. You get this really cute card. And I'm so excited, like look at how cute that is. So cute. So I zoomed you guys in just a little bit. And like I said, I already have concealer on, so we're just gonna dive right in. So first off, I'm gonna use the Minimalistic like complexion stick. Their packaging is just beautiful. Like, look at how beautiful that is. So cute. So it just looks like this. Again, they didn't have my shade, so I did get the shade Buff to use kind of as like a bronzer. So we're just gonna jump right in. So I got my sponge and I also have a makeup brush with me. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply this just like kind of like in the cheekbones here, where I would put like cream contour and also like on the forehead. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it like that. On the nose. As you can see, it's definitely not my shade for like a complexion stick, but it'll do. And also do a little bit right there. Blend this out first with a brush. And then we'll go in with a beauty blender. So beautiful. It just gives you like such a nice like sun-kissed tan look. And it blends really nicely. Like it's very easy to blend out. Don't worry, it looks crazy now, but like I said, we're gonna go in with a beauty blender. It might not be the like right shade for me, but it does work. I'm also not like really tan right now, so when I'm tan, it'll look even better. So now I'm gonna go in with a damp sponge, and I'm gonna blend it all out. Kind of soak up any excess product. I like to do this a lot. Just makes it more like seamless and more natural looking. They're more like a minimalistic type of brand, so I kind of want to go for like the clean face, you know, look. So rosy cheeks, freckles, sun-kissed. That looks really good. I really like that actually. Just makes me look really tan. The lighting here is just not good. I will be moved into my new house really soon, and I really wanted to film this in my new house, but that's like a week and 3 days away. And I just couldn't wait to test these products out. So yeah. Next up, we're gonna go in with the Merit Flush Balm. This is in the shade Cheeky, and it just looks like this. Super cute. Oh, that's beautiful. So wow, that's really pretty. I'm going to melt some of the product on the back of my hand. I really like to do this with like cream blushes. I find that I get the best application that way. And I'm going to take that same brush, and this is like a NYX brush, NYX 37 brush, and I'm just going to pick up some of that product. Smile, of course. And just go ahead and apply that. Oh, it's so pretty. A lot goes a long way. It's very pigmented, which I like a good pigmented blush. Like, who doesn't? Okay, on the nose. So we need to look burnt. Blends amazingly. And then, of course, Beauty Blender, just to kind of pat it into the skin. Their products are so just dewy and glowy. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, guys, this is so good. Next up, I'm going in with their highlighter. This is the Highlighting Balm in Bounce, also by them. I actually bought this myself a few weeks ago. I believe I did a haul. This is the best cream highlighter ever to exist, okay? So I'm just gonna, ooh, like, look at that. Ugh, beautiful. And I'm just gonna put some right here. And then all I do is I blend that out with my finger. Oh my gosh, I can't right now. So pretty. Oof. So beautiful. I'm actually gonna like kind of bring that up here a little. Okay, then we're gonna go in with some mascara. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. Clean Lash mascara. Look at how beautiful this packaging is. I've never seen something this pretty before. Oof, so good. The wand. And let's put this bad boy to the test. Oh, can you see that? That's nice. I really like that when I dip the brush back in, it doesn't get all clumpy on the brush. Like, watch. Like, it doesn't get very clumpy on the brush. A lot of times mascaras do that, and then you have like all this product on the brush. I feel like this is like the perfect amount. It evenly spreads on the lashes, so each lash is evenly coated. It spreads them apart, makes them super long. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit more. Like, I'm sorry, what? Before, after. It doesn't make my eyelashes feel heavy either, which a lot of the times, like the Better Than Sex mascara makes my eyelashes just feel so heavy. Do a little bit of bottom. Okay. Next up, finally, the last step is going to be lips. And we got two lip glosses here, one that I bought and then one that was gifted to me. So the one that I bought is the shade Bel Air, and it's this really nice, like, clear shade with, like, kind of like a hint of gold. Like a hint of gold. And the packaging is just so cute. And then the shade that they gifted me is All Natural, and these are called their Shade Slicks. They're their tinted lip oils. They're really good. Like, I can't with the packaging. It's so stinking cute. But I think we're going to go in with this one today. Or maybe I'll do this one on the bottom so we can test them out, both of them out. And then this one on top for a little bit of color. So, oof, so freaking good. Okay, now we're gonna go with AU Natural and see what this color looks like. Stop. Stop. Oh, it's so beautiful. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, really love that color. It's so good if you're going for like the no makeup look, or you're like in a hurry and need to look somewhat presentable. I think this is such a good lip color. So that completes this video, full face of using Merit Beauty and like first impressions of mainly everything. I really like how this look came out. This is like going to be my new like go-to spring summer look. It just gives me such a nice bronze, like flush, sun-kissed look, which I love, and it also kind of gives off the no makeup look. And I just feel like that girl, you know, it's like a clean girl type of look, and that's kind of what I'm striving for this spring and summer. I don't really like to wear a lot of makeup, and I like makeup that's super, super lightweight if I am wearing makeup, and I literally feel like there's nothing on my face, where a lot of times I'll put on like a little bit of makeup and I can feel it, and I don't like that. But I don't feel anything on my face. Granted, I didn't use too much product, but still I'm starstruck right now. I think it just looks so freaking good. My skin looks so healthy, and like look at that, it just blends in the skin so good. I feel like my skin kind of like soaks it up as if it was like skincare, and I'm just living for it. So I will have all the products linked down below. I do have a link with Merit. It is an affiliate link, so if you do use that link, I do make a little bit of money from it, so would love the support. And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!